up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a remake of my Black Hills Conifer soap, if you've seen that video. I used to do it like this, with some green on the top and then these other layers here, but I hand designed it with a spatula so it would never come out very uniform, which, I mean, since when were rocks uniform, right? Especially Needles Highway and some other cool rock formations around here. But I wanted something where I knew for sure it was going to look cool no matter what. So I went digging in the recycling and pulled out some more plastic, and I'm going to do this for my middle layer, but I'm going to do some green on the bottom for trees with a different cut, and then this layer for some hills, and then one more layer of hills, and then the top will just be a natural color for the sky. If you want to know what I'm using to color each of these layers, you can check out the recipe in the description box below. I do have all the details there, as well as the new scent blend that I'm going to try. I'm trying to do fewer ingredients. I feel like in the past I've had too many in this blend and it was a little too complex, so I wanted something simpler that I can repeat over and over again with perfect success. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Let's get started. I don't think I'm sold on doing that many plastic pieces, and it had to go down so far that it was kind of pulling too much soap. So I ended up wasting a little bit that went over the edge, and then I had to cut a little bit more off of each side of the loaf to save the samples just because it wasn't uniform. So this is what ended up happening. Like if you do a side-by-side comparison, so this is the side it was getting pulled to, this is the side it got pulled from. So not even uniform after all, but it was an experiment worth trying. I think I am going to go back to my old method of hand designing with spatula and spoon though. Thank you for joining me on this soapy adventure today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a lovely day and go do something fun this season. And I will see you in the next video very soon.